Overcome fear and start exploring. Ever wanted to try something new outdoors but fear held you back? Maybe it's hiking, kayaking, or camping.
You're not alone!
Today, we'll break down the most common outdoor fears and how to overcome them, so you can start exploring with confidence. Common outdoor fears. Why do people hesitate? Trying something new can feel overwhelming. Here are the most common fears stopping people from enjoying the outdoors. Fear of falling or getting hurt. Fear of looking inexperienced. Fear of getting lost. Fear of wildlife or bad weather. Many people fear tripping on a hike, tipping over in a kayak, or not knowing what to do. But these fears can be overcome with the right approach. Take the first step. You don't have to start big. The best way to overcome fear is to start small and work your way up. Instead of a long hike, start with a short nature walk. Instead of kayaking on open water, practice in a calm lake. Every small step builds confidence. Even a short walk in a new park is progress. Be prepared, feel confident. Fear often comes from not knowing what to expect. The right gear and preparation can make all the difference. Hiking poles improve balance. Proper footwear prevents slipping. Life jackets and kayak leashes improve safety. GPS apps and maps keep you on track. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel. A new way to think about fear. Most outdoor fears come from self-doubt. Changing your mindset can help you enjoy new experiences. Everyone starts as a beginner. You don't need to be perfect to have fun. Focus on progress, not perfection. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Find support and adventure. One of the best ways to conquer fear is to go with others. Join a local hiking or kayaking group. Take a beginner-friendly guided tour. Outdoor groups provide encouragement, safety, and shared experiences, making every adventure more enjoyable. What will you try next? The outdoors is waiting for you. Don't let fear hold you back. Take that first step today, whether it's a short walk, a gentle paddle, or planning your first camping trip. What outdoor activity have you always wanted to try? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor tips and adventure guides. Subscribe for more outdoor adventure tips.
Thanks for watching.
Be sure to subscribe for more outdoor adventure content.
See you out there.